What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and today I'm super excited to be sharing with you this short training session. And I want to talk about how important having a powerful lead magnet is to get higher conversions for your marketing funnel. So this session is more towards my marketers that are have a little bit of experience with affiliate marketing, and you already have a funnel up and running. So you want to make sure you watch this video all the way towards the end, because I'm going to share with you a way that you can get access to 100 free targeted leads for the work from home niche, and also how to get a free autoresponder. So you want to watch this video all the way towards the end. But I do want to go ahead and talk about how powerful it is when you're offering a strong lead magnet. Now, what is the lead magnet? A lead magnet is a free asset or special deal offered to a potential customer in exchange for their contact details, right? In exchange for their email address. So, for example, I'm going to show you what my marketing funnel looks like, and what I've been using that has helped me generate 20K months. So, you can see here, this is my funnel, successwithadriana.com. And as you can see, this is my lead magnet, right? The title states, discover how to start an online business with a $150 to $600 a day proven blueprint. And when they go here on give me access now, they click on it, they got to enter their name and then their email address. So my lead magnets is that when somebody enters their email address, it's going to take them to a second page where I do a small training session, and I show them how I've been able to build six figures online doing this part-time from the comfort of my own home, how I built my first six figures online and what strategies I use. So on the next page, they get access to tons of value. And so that is the lead magnet that I have personally used. But if you're somebody that is just starting out, you're not sure, what type of lead magnet to use. Some of the ideas and examples that some marketers use are, hey, I'm giving away a free ebook where I talk about, how to get your first leads. Some people say, hey, I have a free webinar on the next page, so enter your email address so you can get access to that. Some people do a live training session. It could be many different things. Now, I'm about to tell you how you can get access to a very powerful lead magnet if you still don't have one, to offer it to your audience and your potential customers. If you are part of the work from home, how to make money from home niche. So, what I've been offering, right, is this. It's a 5-day fast track challenge, and you can offer this to your members where they can go in here for free and they can watch this training. How I grew my email list to 35K subscribers in just 4 months. The number one way to have $1,000 days in your online business without having to create your own product. How to build your automated business in 30 minutes, step by step. How you can create a passive income business online with only 2 to 3 hours or less per week, and how to create multiple passive income streams on autopilot. So they get access to this. They also get access to a free autoresponder, and they get access to 100 free targeted leads for their business. So imagine if you're offering something like this in exchange, or you can even offer it as a bonus, right? If you're promoting something right now, it doesn't matter if it's high ticket, if it's low ticket, if you're promoting something right now, you can offer this as a bonus for somebody to join any business opportunity that you're currently promoting. Or you can also use it to as a lead magnet to get people's email addresses to come in and enter them on your marketing funnel. So this is such a powerful asset to have access to. And the way that you can be a part of this, you can go ahead and click on the link below, and then you can register with this opportunity, and they're going to give you your affiliate link where you're going to be able to offer this as a lead magnet. You're going to be able to offer all of Listline products, get up to 75% of commission. So you can go ahead and click on the link below, check it out. Now, if you only want to, take a look at the training, go ahead and do that. And if you only want to get access to your 100 free targeted leads, go ahead and click on the second link, right? You can absolutely do that. But if you are more of a seasoned marketer, you'd love to offer tons of value, go ahead and click on the first link. You can register take a look at the full details and see how you can position yourself where you're able to offer this maybe as a bonus for somebody to join a certain opportunity, or as a lead magnet when they come to your marketing funnel. You can say, hey, as soon as you click on the button below, enter your email address, you're going to learn, right, how to run a business on autopilot. You're going to learn how you can grow your email list to 35,000 subscribers, right? So there's so many different ways to, get people to come and get those, convert those prospects into customers when you're offering tons of value. And that's exactly what I've been doing with all my business opportunities. I offer over deliver. If you can over deliver, people are just going to be attracted to you, period. Right? So go ahead and get started. Again, if you're somebody that just wants to go through the FIDA challenge, you want the 100 free targeted leads, get access to the free autoresponder, click on the second link or the second button below this video. Or if you want somebody that wants to have the ability to offer this to your team as a bonus, okay, go ahead and click on the first link underneath this video or on the first button. But again, the more you over deliver, the more potential customers you're going to attract, period. Have an amazing day. Regardless of which button you click, you're going to get tons of value. Other than that, that's it. I'll see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.